Hey, what's up everyone, it's your boy Altered Tech, back again with a new video, and today I have a very exciting video. I found some really good, beautiful cases for your Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, these cases are for those who want to go ahead and just show off their phone and add some extra style to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, I do have my Galaxy Note 10 Plus in the Aura Glow finish, and I have to say, this is perhaps one of the most beautifulest smartphones of all time. And with a case like this, you're going to be able to show off that shiny finish. And in this video, I'll just give you guys a quick overview of each of these three cases. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the COVERT3. Now, the COVERT3 is going to ring you up about $14.98, and it comes in three different colors. You have the clear finish, the smoke black finish, and the pink finish. Now, I do have in my hands the clear finish, and with the clear finish, I have to say with all three cases, now the precision of these cutouts is very high end, and you should have no issues whatsoever. Now, for this case, it's a frost finish on the sides, on the edges, and for the back, it's a clear TPU type plastic, so you could show off your Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, out of all three cases, if your main goal is to show off your phone, this is a case that you need to get right now, because this case, I've never, out of all the cases I've tried, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus has never looked better than in this case. So now this is drop tested. It has a non-slip grip, and it does come with a limited lifetime warranty. Okay, so now let's say you want something with a little bit more protection. Well, then I would upgrade to the CLOAK4. Now with the CLOAK4, you do have a red accent finish all around the edges, on the sides, and up on the corners, and it doesn't feel as flexible as the COVERT3, and that's because there's some added, heavy duty plastic on the insides of this case. So you're going to get some extra protection when it comes to drops and whatnot, yet you're still going to have that, that beautiful clear TPU on the back, so you could show off your Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now with the COVERT3 and the CLOAK4, the buttons, they are very, very clicky, and you should not have any issues whatsoever. They feel nice to the touch. And as for the grip, between the CLOAK4 and the COVERT3, I would say the CLOAK4 does have a better grip. Okay, now for the final case, let's go ahead and talk about the Atomic Slim3, because this is the case I'll be using moving forward. Now with this case, look how gorgeous this case actually looks with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It shows off the back completely, and you do have this aluminum framework, which actually gives you about 12 feet of drop protection. So you should not have any issues when it comes to dropping your phone. And it does have a lip protection, which is about 1.5 millimeters in length, up on top and up on bottom. And as you guys can see, it does give you some spacing between the ground if you have your phone face down on a flat surface. So this is my entire Ghostek collection, and let me know down in the comment section which one you guys prefer. Personally, I think these are the cases you want to rock if you want to show off your device, and they do have different levels of protection with one of the best designs I've seen on a case. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. This is Altered Tech signing out. Peace.